Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe. Topic is types of welding joints. There are several types of welding joints that are commonly used in welding. These include: first, butt joint. A butt joint is formed when two pieces of metal are placed together in a flat position and welded along their edges. Second, lap joint. A lap joint is formed when two pieces of metal overlap each other and are welded along the overlapping edges. Third, corner joint. A corner joint is formed when two pieces of metal are joined at a 90-degree angle and welded along the joint. Fourth, T-joint. A T-joint is formed when two pieces of metal are placed at a right angle to each other and welded along the joint. These are the most common types of welding joints, and each has its own unique characteristics and applications. The choice of which type of welding joint to use will depend on the specific requirements of the welding project. Thanks for watching the videos.